morning, everyone. Today, here I am giving a basic knowledge of the accounts. So I am starting here some slide for you. So please read and I will brief you about the this. Accounting history. Accounting is a thousand of the year old, can be tracked of the traced to a ancient civilization. The earlier development of the accounting date back to the ancient Mesopotamia. That means
Mesopotamia is
Name of a place.
name
Name of a place.
name of place.
Ancient.
Ancient.
that means accounting is not in a 19th century. That person do in the ancient civilization also.
It was also used in the ancient Mesopotamian civilization.
And closely related to development. In the writing, counting, and money, there is also evidence of the early form of the bookkeeping in the ancient Iran and early auditing system in the ancient Egypt. Many of the these work are they doing in the ancient Iran and the ancient Ethiopian.
Egyptian.
Egyptians.
You are saying accounting is creating it means or
It was used.
It was used first time in Mesopotamia.
No, yes.
Mesopotamia.
Then
Bookkeeping started from the ancient
Ancient Iran.
Yes.
and the auditing system start from the Egypt and
Babylonians.
Babylonians. By the time of the empire
Emperor Augustus.
the Roman government has access to detailed financial information. The book and entry double entry bookkeeping was pioneered in the
Jewish. Start kiya. Pioneered in the Jewish community.
Entrepreneur जो होता है
Entrepreneur.
ये
Entrepreneur is somebody who pioneer is when something you were the pioneers in rice, exporting rice. सबसे पहले उन्होंने किया. Pioneer means that.
Of the early Middle East and the further define the Middle Europe. Medieval Europe.
Medieval means what is ancient, बिल्कुल प्राचीन. Then medieval, middle period, and
Madhyakalit.
Correct. And then what?
With the development of the joint stock companies, accounting split into the financial accounting and management accounting. जो मतलब ये joint companies accounting is like joint venture with the 1% to 2%, and they split the financial accounting. जो मतलब
Accounting split into two: financial accounting, management
accounting.
What is management accounting?
Management like we present to Rohan sir को हम छोटी brief in a short summaries like ये sale हुआ, ये purchase हुआ, ये
that is you are saying कि club report
the short summary reporting is
only balance sheet is
Management
balance
accounting.
sheet and financial accounting is coming in the financial accounting and management accounting for the management
information MIS information related to finance. MIS
yes
summary you are going to present to the management is called management.
So we can ask questions. We
When
can ask more questions.
when we saw the balance sheet, we also
That is the finance accounting.
Financial accounting.
That is finance accounting.
financial accounting, but if you say when we present our presentation to management, so if I say any balance sheet of any company, then I know everything about the company. So management also know everything.
Management accounting is like just managing planning. It is accounting planning. It is like budgeting, like financing planning.
budgeting and what is going on right
Hmm.
now. Okay, that is our plan and that is we have to.
Like you given the
balance sheet
Manage-
information from financial.
Management planning is actual, we can say about that. Then we present the report to Rohan sir, and Rohan sir say about this presentation. Like you have given the report, sale is like budgeting is our budget is five.
AOP versus actual.
This like differences.
Okay. The first published work on our double entry bookkeeping system was the
Samade Arithmetica.
Samade Arithmetica, published in Italy 1494 by the Luca Pacioli, the father of the accounting. This person is the Luca first time published a double accounting system book in 1494. Because the above this period, person used the single entry system.
Before this period,
Before this period, people use the single entry system.
Single entry system means only debit.
what is double entry bookkeeping?
Development effective two like we purchase the goods, so debit.
So.
So one is debit and one second is credit.
It means
it means double.
the vendor credit to vendor and debit to purchaser.
So there is separate.
This is the double bookkeeping system.
It's like if you have a passbook, you show
Credit separate, debit separate.
Yeah.
Debit and
That is called double entry.
Double entry system.
That is called double entry.
Okay.
What about single entry?
Single entry
Only debit entry.
Only debit entry.
Just like
purchase कर लिया.
बनिया लेजर you show you have कि
इससे इतना उधार लेना, इससे इतना उधार लेना, इतना मतलब जो रजिस्टर में करते हैं.
Single ledger.
But from where this
Software.
this money will come, they never know कि
Like you purchase the
Single book entry में आप balance sheet नहीं मिला सकते हैं.
Anyone you take the put the register and अगर तुम मुझे पैसे दे देगा तो उस पे you give the money to vendor, so you take on the register. ये मतलब वो single entry type हो.
Next.
where you copy paste this
Wikipedia.
Wikipedia.
What is very informative.
What is the accounting? Accounting is the process of
First
the.
time you know about this na?
क्या? नहीं लुका वाला तो पता था मेरे को क्योंकि वो इंटरव्यू में पूछ लेते हैं. ऊपर वाला एशियन नहीं पता.
Asian Mesopotamia.
हाँ ये सब नहीं पता. क्योंकि वो बुक्स में भी नहीं है.
Italy double entry first time in Italy but this will help you to increase your knowledge. When you brief something anything about to the anyone this will always increase your knowledge.
Yes, sir. What is the accounting? Accounting is the process of the recording financial transaction pertaining
Pertaining
means
Sambanthit. Sambanthit like this.
Relation.
Belong.
Related to.
This book pertains to stories.
Collection of stores. Financial transaction pertaining to a business.
The accounting process including the summarizing, analyzing and the reporting these transactions to oversight agencies, regulators and transaction collection and tax collection entities. The financial statement used
Entities means a company.
Company
Why we say entity? Why we don't say company?
So pertaining to something is related directly to something. Pertaining to something is directly related to something. Related to. So pertaining related to.
Why we use entity word?
So entity.
entity like we call it as a
Or it's a formal word and it means something that exists as a single unit, entity.
Entity is a single unit.
And a complete unit.
And a complete unit.
Yes.
It means a company, na? If I have a company.
It can be company, it can be anything.
It can
The
be
mind
material
is-
also.
it can be
Company
exactly-
can be
material also. It can be material also.
कंपनी है डिफर उसमें दो तीन और भी आ जाएंगे कंपनी में.
It's a complete
यहाँ
unit
पे-
is related. And I can use this entity for anything.
But
I
it
can
will
say
use-
that
it
the
will
mind
use
is a
is it a noun
separate
also?
entity. I can
Yes.
say the mind is a separate unit.
It will use as a tax for tax collection entity. That means he tax many type of tax. So that why he put
Like
entities.
this
Service tax is VAT or VAT or
The financial statement used in accounting are
Concise.
concise summary of the financial transaction over the accounting period, summarizing a company operation, financial position and cash flow. मतलब ये था ये these activity used in the company's operations, the financial position and cash flow statement के लिए use किया जाता है.
No, they are saying that the financial statement is what? It is a concise brief. Brief है किस चीज का summary of financial statement.
Periods of company
Yeah.
operation, financial position,
Accounting
cash flow.
Summary of company's operation and
Operation
financial
activities.
cash flow.
It means the financial statement
हाँ.
is a summary of
Financial operation and
everything.
cash flow. हाँ.
everything.
Next, type of accounting. Types of accounting: financial accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, forensic accounting, cost accounting, and auditing accounting.
What is it?
Auditing accounting.
Now you are under which accounting?
I am
Financial.
doing the financial accounting and
Financial
forensic accounting. Oh, forensic accounting.
Forensic.
I am doing here a 1, 2, 3.
What is forensic accounting?
Forensic accounting is the analyze the all the अंदर तक घुस के देखना और ये
Will be deep dive into the
मतलब deeply.
Deeply in the sea.
Forensic to I heard the word forensic department.
NCID.
CID.
NCID.
R&D करते हैं ना वो
हाँ.
कि मतलब कौन सा कैसे मरा, ये कैसे हुआ, तो वो फोरेंसिक में वो एक्सपेंस किस लिए हुआ, कहाँ किस वे में हुआ, उसकी R&D करना.
Forensic means
Scientific method for finding out about a crime.
Facts.
Forensic.
Yeah, forensic lab.
Scientific
I don't
method
think so
to find
that
out
is
about
forensic.
forensic word is not a
It's more related with the crime.
crime.
Forensic
Criminal
ये-
science.
Many times I heard crime patrol and CID. Forensic team, please come and take a fingerprint outs. Well, ma'am,
Please
you are-
call
Finding
forensic
out
team.
about a crime. Scientific method of finding out about a crime. Forensic.
Yes, yes.
So here what it means we don't know.
हाँ,
ये
forensic.
I'll
He is mad, he is poison man. ये जय बुलाता है ऐसे वर्ड यूज कर लेता है we never heard forensic man. I think you can forex. I think that is forex
नहीं नहीं
accounting.
forex
Forex
accounting,
exchange
Forex
forensic
No,
accounting.
forex.
वो तो commercial होगा ना?
Sorry.
वो I think that is commercial.
बता रहा हूँ.
When we hedge anything from euro to INR.
This is a forex. This is forex.
Forex accounting.
Forex.
And we are the entity for USD, for euros.
Investigate. It is a way. It is an accounting to investigate financial accounts of individuals.
इसमें आ गया हुआ ना?
You know, अभी 2
Or
मिनट
business.
में class खत्म.
So it is used. So this accounting
मैंने class में तो रह
is to
सकते हो.
investigate
Class में
financial
तो रह
accounts
सकते
of
हो.
individuals or businessmen. Supposing I do some fraud, okay, then people are investigating about that is forensic accounting.
Okay, when income tax department comes to
हाँ,
raid.
it can be individual, it can be a
And
company also.
you are doing forensic accounting?
No, not here.
Why you say I'm doing
I'm doing here financial accounting, tax accounting, and auditing accounting.
No, actually he is doing the forensic accounting because he is deep diving into the books of other vendors who has paid us in advance, who has to
So
pay
it is
us.
in a forensic only. Yeah. Okay, carry on. Let's move on.
Types of accounts. We have the 3 types of accounts: personal account, GL account, and nominal account.
GL नहीं real account.
Real.
Personal, real, and nominal account.
Yes.
Personal account is debit is receiver, credit the giver.
But I have a saving account. I have a saving account.
These type of accounts, मतलब इसके बेस पे
That's your personal
accounting चलता
account.
है.
That's your personal saving account, no?
हाँ.
No, that is
In the bank language.
If you start a company and you introduce the capital,
Answer the question, na. First listen to question, na.
You are
What is
saying
account?
types of account.
3 types of accounts.
3 types of account.
वो
But
saving
I
account
know-
है. वो saving account है.
Saving
Sir,
account.
accounting.
तो
Accounting. Accounting.
Accounts.
This type of accounting do in company.
That
It is a bank of type account.
Just,
Type of bank account.
Real account.
just
Real account is
I will define the answer. for your answer, your saving account relate to personal account.
Is related to.
It's
Personal
related to
account.
Your
Under
saving account-
under the personal
Under account.
account,
Yes.
saving account, current account.
Yeah,
That
saving
is
account, current
subcategory.
account under to personal account. Okay.
That is types of bank account.
What? हाँ.
Bank accounts also coming in the all accounts should come in that three types of account. When we talk about any bank account, it will come under the personal account. When we
Nothing यार, कुछ भी बोले जा रहा है.
क्योंकि
Let him- let him
personal
explain.
account में होता है।
पर्सनल अकाउंट आता है वो रियल अकाउंट में आता है.
रीड में कैसे?
पर्सनल पर्सनल अकाउंट में आता है अगर तू बिजनेस.
वही तो मैं भी कह रहा हूँ।
चाचा सुन ले पहले.
Okay, English please, English.
That also I
First, please listen my.
So what will current account come in? Supposing he has a business and what type of account is business current?
वो नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में.
Personal.
हाँ. Three types of accounts: personal accounts, real account, and nominal account. In the personal account, debit is receiver and credit is giver. And real account, debit words come in and credit words goes out. And nominal account, all the expenses and losses are debit, credit all the income and gain.
इनका सबका एग्जांपल एक सम एग्जांपल गिव
है.
तीनों का
Next
एग्जांपल.
slide.
ओके
You know all that?
Okay.
You know all
Yeah.
that?
I have a question then.
हाँ.
What is the difference between receiver and comes in, giver and goes out?
Receiver. So supposing he
If
is receiving.
the-
डेबिट द रिसीवर.
अबे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में बता दो.
I will tell you the next day. I will explain the next slide.
I will explain the
I will
next
explain
slide.
in next slide. If anyone raise a question, you can say in next slide I will answer.
Personal account. If a person and group of people, legal body,
पर्सन्स भाई
हाँ,
पर्सन
person,
देखता कुछ है पढ़ता कुछ है इसके आधार. So
That is not valid.
non
That is not,
if the person and group of persons, legal body is receiving something from the business, is debit the receiver.
Okay.
And if the person and group of persons, legal body is paying something to business, credit is giver.
Credit the
Payer, हाँ.
All giver.
So where my salary fall?
Your salary fall in real account.
Really?
No.
Explain.
But-
Explain in
Person,
next slide, sir.
group of person or legal body?
Legal body.
Legal body. Group of
यहाँ पे
person.
ना if you suppose you have the entity of any business, and if you transfer your introduce the capital in your business, that that fall in personal account. मतलब इसमें क्या होगा कि ना
मैं समझ गया.
Sir, it is one thing. When we receive the payment from vendor, it is a
We receive
debit.
the payment from
Vendor.
No, just listen.
हाँ.
When we receive the salary from our employer.
Okay. This is a company liability to pay your salary. Okay. And it is come on expenses account. And it is a coming nominal account.
Salary is the expense.
हाँ yes.
Part of nominal account.
Account nominal account. It is a nominal account.
Salary is the expense.
हाँ yes sir.
Okay.
आप अपने behalf में बोलो.
Behalf of company.
Behalf of company.
expense.
Salary is
And
expensive.
behalf of
I'm
salary
thinking behalf of the
income.
company.
Salary
Not
is
your
for
that
company
example
and salary
is
is
very good.
expense for
You explained in
behalf
a
of
good way.
company.
Okay, your example was understandable to all of us. So like this, you give example for others also. If you
Yes,
see.
Like नीचे example, investor introduce the capital in the business and withdraw the fund in this in this format.
Personal accounts.
In personal account, when we receive the payment from vendor, then we debit our bank company account. Okay. When we paid the payment to debtors like अपने customers, when we credit our accounts, bank accounts in a company, that is a real account in main language.
Okay.
If the person, group of the person, legal body receive something,
This is done, no? We finished
This
this.
is next.
Next one.
This is
That is
Last-
real.
Real हो गया. Next.
next one.
Nominal account.
A nominal account. Nominal account represent all the expenses, losses, income and gain incurred while during the business. Some common example like electricity bill, telephone expenses, interest received, profit on sale of
Interest
machines.
received is expense.
Interest received, income.
Income.
That is the
Debit.
Expense, losses.
All the expenses and losses
Income and gains.
Income है तो credit होगा.
fall in nominal account.
Profit on sale of the.
Your salary is also fall in nominal account.
Because that is expense.
हाँ. In the real account, all the purchase, sales, bank cash withdrawal from bank, deposit in the
That is
bank.
real account.
That is real account.
And personal account?
Personal account introduce the capital in the.
When we introduce the big amount of money to run a business, it's fall in the personal account.
If you invest the share market, that is your personal
investment.
Personal investment.
And that will fall in the personal. Okay. Transaction means?
And real example, personal account you said if we invest in shares that is
Personal. Really, if you buy the furniture, goods, any kind of the goods, say grocery types, like if that fall in real account. If you
If we invest something, you can say if we invest something, that will fall on personal
Personal.
account. If we buy something, that will go to real account.
Real account.
And if we pay or expense losses, income or that,
Nominal account.
this will fall on the nominal
Nominal account.
This is the way you should say.
you should explain. That's
You
not-
should explain.
these
So every time you round and
Going round and
some transaction are here, like a goods purchased from the Mohan on credit, that is personal and real account.
both.
हाँ,
Why both?
ये goods purchase कर रहे हो,
Good purchase.
good purchase from the
From-
Mohan.
Purchase from
Good
Mr. Rohan.
purchase from Mr. Mohan on credit.
हाँ, तो good purchase हो गया, real
Good
account.
purchase, real account हो गया.
हाँ.
On credit, if we buy anything on credit, that will
सर
follow
stock है ना, देखो ना, inventory is stock.
Inventory is a stock. We buy if we buy inventory or if we buy food for us, it's also
It's consumed ना, that is expense for you.
consumable item.
हाँ.
Need to know more.
Cash paid to Mohan, personal and real account.
goods sold again.
Why two accounts?
Double entry.
Debit.
Debit.
हाँ.
Personal to debit. and
Goods
All of
purchased
them are
from
double,
Mohan
same,
on credit.
all of them.
Both.
Why you write down here three times? Personal, real.
Because यहाँ machinery is sold, तो वहाँ machinery sold क्या होगा तो loss या profit gain हुआ होगा.
Machinery purchased from US market trader. तो अगर purchase करने में loss नहीं कैसे हो जाएगा?
नहीं, अगर परचेज किया है, हाँ, तो
English.
if we purchase the भारती, तो वो क्या, हमने उसे कैपिटलाइज किया है. If we capitalize the good, the personal account.
No. Here we purchase the inventory.
हाँ.
Here we purchase the inventory, stock maintained. Here we purchase the assets.
Asset.
बहुत वो
Just a small example. If we purchase the mobile phone, हाँ, अगर मैं इसको if we not inventorize, मतलब इसको मैं stock नहीं ले, वो capitalize नहीं कर रहा,
okay.
हाँ, तो मेरा expense हो गया. Expense हो
This will
गया.
fall on assets.
Assets, but sometimes we have not taken in assets because assets
That is management decision or that is
management
financial
decision. It's all about the management decision.
There is some financial decision also.
हाँ.
कि this will go to the asset, this will go as a liability.
if we capitalize, then we maintain all the criteria, register, like something like that.
Capitalize or if we maintain our asset or if we maintain our inventory.
Depreciation, like
We maintain account of.
So is it written two times by mistake? Real account?
No ma'am, no.
Real account, real
This one,
account.
I
Yes,
think
yes,
this one.
yes.
Real to one.
I think in night he prepared this slide and copied it twice time.
Copy नहीं किया, वो ये screenshot लिया हुआ है Google से लिया हुआ है.
Google never made a mistake.
हाँ.
Google can also make mistake.
Yes.
There are
Sometimes
people,
I have also
people who
faced.
are writing, there are people like you and us, they also can make mistakes.
As per this table, I understand when we use any name, we can say this is personal account. When we use any
Bank
transaction
transaction.
with touch or see, we can go with the real account. And when we talk about any profit and loss which we can't see in physical, it will fall in nominal account.
Nominal.
Is it right?
Is it so?
Right.
Nominal,
Last
real.
one,
अच्छा nominal.
last machine sold to John had the profit. उसमें तीनों account fall कर रहे हैं.
This will fall under three accounts.
Three accounts.
Just because there is used machine, John and profit.
Profit.
Profit is
Nominal.
nominal just because we can't touch, and machine is real just for we touch the machine.
अबे कहाँ intangible tangible पहुँच गया?
नहीं यही है भाई,
तीन
हिंदी में
simple
पढ़
है।
रही हूँ ना, मैंने हिंदी में पढ़ी ना।
3 सिंपल एग्जांपल हैं
हाँ।
नॉमिनल में
English.
in nominal
हाँ.
we can refer debtor and vendors. Okay, in in real account we can say debit was comes in, credit was goes out in bank transaction
ठीक,
only.
okay.
ठीक है, when debit the receiver, credit the giver, it means of vendor and debtors when send money and vendors we can pay. Okay, and in nominal account we can profit and loss. When we loss, then we debit the expense, and when we profit, then we credit the expense. It is a simple instruction.
Next slide, please. These are the some journal entry जो we booked in
This
the
is how we make journal entries. You can say that. Simple. This is how we make journal entry, double entry we do. Next slide.
Debit credit already.
This we have done. Now next.
next. In the organization we have all 3 accounts. Type of 3 accounts R2R P.
That is for our organization, for
all R2R AP and AR. That the full form is the R2R report to report, and AP is accounts payable and accounts receivable.
What is R2R?
R report to report, like we present the financial statements and MIS reporting type, collect the data from our data source management. In the AP process, first we receive the quotation from the requisition from the जिसको नीड होती है
Vendors and buyers हैं. When we receive the quotation from buyer.
नहीं रिक्विजिशन आएगी, जैसे इसको
Request आई है buyer से. Request.
user department. Requisition received from the department, and then we get the quotation from the supplier and compare with the 2-3 vendors who is cheaper, and get the invoice and compare from the POs, compare from the receipts, approve invoice and make the payment. That is the this is a whole cycle of the AP process.
Right now we doing AP.
All over.
Are you aligned with this process?
Yeah.
So is it necessary to have multiple quotations?
Yeah.
If the expense is less than 10,000?
Mostly in our organization is not
It is
doing this process, but in other organization also get the multiple quotation from the other vendors.
What is the meaning of this?
Compare with the invoice the PO. जो हमने we generate the PO from the our system, and what we receive
No,
from
vendor invoice to our PO.
हाँ
That is the this mean.
compare करना उससे.
What is this mean?
Receipt.
compare invoice to receipt जो हमने उसको payment करेंगे.
Invoice is what the vendor will give us.
हाँ.
Ma'am, as a bill. Invoice is like a bill.
A bill.
Invoice vendor invoice हो गया.
हाँ.
Aligned. And purchase order from our company.
जो हम बना के देते हैं
We
उनको.
raise a purchase order.
We raise a purchase order
We raise a purchase order and vendor will
Give
the
invoice and
If
material.
vendor invoice and purchase order you have,
Hmm.
then why you compare invoice to receipt?
Receipt.
So receipt is like what material you have to receive in your warehouse.
So,
You are saying about
So,
CRM?
yeah.
Like CRM.
Migo.
Good receipt.
Migo. Migo. Like when we receive the material in warehouse. Okay. Can we check? We can check with invoice.
Okay, how much
And who
it
will
is?
approve
If the
invoice?
material
I
is
don't
received in
think
full
so.
or in partial?
Who will approve the invoice?
In our
Approve the invoice
you
is
approve the invoice. You approve the PO. नहीं PO.
PO, not invoice.
Approve PO.
In our organization, nobody approve the invoice.
You approve the
Invoice by our team. Then
How PO?
Concerned person.
approve invoice तो कोई approve नहीं करता.
नहीं concern person.
नहीं ये फाइनेंशियल
In our organization, nobody
No.
approves.
I have approved many invoice from Tina. Take approval.
We talk about all invoice which
अच्छा.
we are creating,
अच्छा.
Being recorded.
which we are raising.
Okay.
In our organization, some invoices are approved on the mail. Get the approval on the mail, like Saurabh sir, all the rental mess invoices, RSF
You can
links.
say the head of the
Except
department.
material. We get the approval on the mail.
Except goods, consumable items or packaging materials.
Consumable item are approved by
We talk about goods
Rachita and
who
Rohit.
purchased in Netherlands. We talk about goods.
Okay.
Not
Then you
related
make
with.
the payment.
हाँ.
Okay, next slide.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, it is easy. Everyone knows we receive the order and then we send the.
This is a cycle now.
Yeah.
This is a
Why reconciliation is not there? Or
AP in AP process.
Why reconciliation is not there? That is the major thing.
So this is
So
a part of the
reconciliation was not in the
picture.
No, that is not the
Art-
part of the
Picture में नहीं था।
because that is not in the pic.
Picture. Picture में मिला.
Punchline. Punchline.
By yourself.
Because reconciliation is
Is a major part.
Major
Major
part.
Very important.
Hmm.
And you make the payment to a vendor and you don't reconcile. Please move for the sake.
Sir, compare invoice to PO. It is a reconciliation.
We also used to
Reconciliation.
But buddy, हर बार payment करेंगे तो नहीं we reconcile the pay reconcile
नहीं,
every time.
monthly reconciliation is made.
Every
monthly.
अब महीने में 4 payment करता है 4 बार थोड़ा reconcile करेंगे.
Just a minute here, in here.
Just cool
We-
down.
If
Just cool down.
we did this exercise 4
If-
times in a day or 5 times
This
in
is also a reconciliation.
in a day, he's saying why monthly reconciliation is
Where
required.
if you pass every PO with your every invoice with your PO, so why
we
haven't
haven't-
Final, that is a financial step.
We haven't received the invoice on time on the mail. Lots of time I've sent the email to
Vendor.
vendor and
Service vendor.
user, service user.
Service.
Lots of time I've sent the mail, but I haven't received the.
You
Haven't
pay
received.
more than 50%.
So you can say it like
disclose as
this is not really
We'll have
required
continued next
with
class also. So,
with
how
less
many
or
pages is this?
stringent frequency.
Huh?
Like
Last 2 3.
we understand their process. That is so
Next.
easy.
R2R process is like the
If you want to know this process, it's better if you mail us to everybody. That slide is too good.
This one.
R2R is a
Please. And
एक और है ना पीछे.
last one is
Yeah.
That is the
Contingent-
one.
Contingent liability.
Contingent is the meaning of contingent.
Contingent.
Contingent liability is the which expense incurred in the future, but you know the that will be incurred.
Depreciation.
Not depreciation. Like company
Budget.
anybody show on the company. मतलब कई केस कर दिया किसी कंपनी ने के ऊपर.
If anybody, competitor will raise a case.
Competitor not like employee हो गया, कोई property dispute चल रहा है. हाँ, like the show the on the company.
नहीं, you can correlate it with the insurance also because we
unexpected नहीं है.
Expected.
हाँ,
To
expected
safeguard.
है, but उसमें कुछ पोर्शन आपको लगता है आपने जैसे प्रॉपर्टी करवाई, आपका कोटेशन था 10 लाख का, मेरा 8 लाख का है, हाँ, बट मेरे पास उसका फंड ही नहीं है, लेकिन मैं अपना एक्सपेंस अगर मैं एक्सपेंस क्लेम कर लूँगा तो we take up as a provision this type.
Contingent also has a meaning. In general, it also means.
simply mean it
What
is
is the
plan B.
minimum?
Plan B.
हाँ, plan B
Plan B बोलते हैं.
AOP.
Contingent.
Like
Man
budget-
saying
budget.
contingent is a dependent.
Depending on something
हाँ.
that may happen in
No,
the
future.
Contingent
हाँ.
बोलते हैं.
Future.
Dependent.
Something done in future but no in present. Something
So give into this कि
So
इतना
it's
amount हो in
dependent.
future में.
something done in future but know about the
Future में करेगा.
present.
May happen.
Next year या कुछ
Dependent on
So we
something
can
that
book a
may
provision.
May
happen.
have done in the
May
future.
happen.
हाँ.
Called is contingent liability.
Contingent.
Contingent
Contingent
liability.
liability.
Contingent.
Accruals.
Contingent liability.
Contingent. हाँ.
What are the accruals?
Accruals.
Accruals.
Accruals is we treated as a interest, like you
Accruals.
you fix the you deposit in a fixed deposit and you haven't received the interest in current period, but you will receive in April, but that interest income is current financial year.
Accrue means accrue
So-
also has a meaning.
हाँ.
Accrue.
So we treat it as a accrued.
क्रूड इंटरेस्ट
Acquire
पहले
not
कम
just to-
फ्यूचर में कमाने वाला धन, फ्यूचर में कमाने वाला धन जो भी पता है, देन आप एंट्री पास का क्रूड इंटरेस्ट.
लाइक मतलब मान के चलो कि ना आपकी आपको 10 रुपए इंटरेस्ट मिल रहे हैं.
Everything,
If you think if you receive
Right now I have a saving account in my bank
Hmm.
and I receive the interest maybe half yearly I receive the interest or quarterly I receive the
Mhm.
interest. Why we are not getting interest on monthly basis?
That is a separate part. So,
But,
लेकिन if
You
you
need to
if you
change
have
your bank.
हाँ if
You get
No. So there is a bank.
That is a banking.
There is one bank who gives the interest on monthly basis.
but it's
Depend
the-
on
I
bank
depend-
to bank. It's
But
depend on bank.
I received on quarterly basis. I think I
Depends.
some banks given a half yearly,
It's
some
bank
banks
to
given
bank to
a
bank.
but both are the same because they calculate it on the average basis interest on the
average amount.
average amount.
What I
is-
maintain in my.
If you have the thing HDFC Bank,
That will fall under accrual or
so, accrual is like if you receive मतलब आप मान के चलो if you have a HDFC account, HDFC account is given the credit in interest amount portion in 1st April of every year, but that income is belongs to previous financial year. That is accrual.
if you are saying future interest, future income as an interest is called accrual.
Not a future incurred in the same period, but you receive in previous
Acha.
next year.
Future income which you received in the next financial year.
Future name.
Or maybe over a period of time.
Future income.
So any
Current
you
income.
can say
Current
any
year income
any
received
जो
in
भी
future.
हमारा gain होता है
हाँ.
capital.
Current year income received in
हाँ,
future.
current year income received in future.
Future.
Okay.
And you know how much we are aware how much money we will receive as a.
Because of the we have the interest rate calculation in the on the FDs.
Okay.
That is already known.
What
No.
is
What is the
Amortization.
amortization? Amortization is expense of like we expense on the advertisement. Like we expense the huge amount on the advertisement. We endorse to Amitabh Bachchan and Seth and any Seth. He takes
Sanjeev
the
Kapoor.
Sanjeev Kapoor. They take a lots of budgeted. He takes a 5 crore rupees. But we can't book the advertisement useful work or 5 year. मतलब
Okay, the value of it is will
value of this
Invest somewhere
expenditure will impact business.
वो 5 साल के
हाँ, in the next
लिए.
5 years.
So we take the
100 years.
we take the amortize this expense on the 5 year. Like एक साल एक
Who
करोड़
will decide this key we have to amortize this expense?
All the expenses have criteria for what amount you amortize.
You
And as per the income tax
saying
law.
amortization is what we say ad expense,
Like something like जो bigger expense होते हैं ना.
bigger expense,
Like
Bigger
10 crore
loan.
15 crore belongs to
So
big
if you have a
amount.
loan, there is
Agar-
there is also amortization plan.
If my money
I see this word in Excel also. When we put loan amortization
this is like
expense.
this is like kind
Loan
of
amortization expense.
this is kind of the depreciation like.
Yes.
What are the 3 most important financial statement? We have the 3 most financial statement is financial
So
statement,
this is the meaning of amortize.
income.
To pay a debit by making a regular payment.
Pay a debt.
Regular.
Debt.
हाँ.
That means
Karza.
we already cut.
Debt is be silent. Debt.
Debt.
हाँ.
Debt.
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 DET. Debt.
आजकल 20 साइलेंट होता है.
हाँ हाँ.
हमें स्कूल में डेप्ट बोलते थे.
हम तो अभी तक debt को बोलते हैं.
नहीं,
See,
debt.
pronunciation is debt. See,
Debt.
DET.
Debt.
Debt.
Indeed, that
These facilities were not there in before 2000 or 1990s.
The next,
So I
You are
think we'll do
very
this in another class.
Yes.
We'll do it maybe.
Okay.
He has already shared